Pennsylvania, western Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Bradford County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rome to near Louvelton to near Ricketts Glen State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Muhlenberg, Dunmore, Kingston, Nanticoke, Plains, Old Forge, and Pittston. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until